lot of mistakes that guys make is they put one valve and it's either on and off, or they don't valve it at all, and then you have no control of the water. The very last stage and step in completing the waterfall is to be able to run the plumbing. So we've got the plumbing stubbed up here, coming from the equipment pad up to here. Now we have to divert it to flow properly. And basically what I'll do is, instead of just trying to push water in one direction, which doesn't look real natural, we'll spread it out. So we'll have two separate locations that the water will come out in the waterfall, and that way it'll come out slower and flatter, and it'll look a little bit more natural. So based on plumbing, we can control, by putting valves in here, we'll be able to control the amount of flow one direction versus another.